Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Cloudflare WARP on macOS and remove routes, detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Cloudflare WARP on macOS, begin by navigating to the Applications folder. Locate the Cloudflare WARP application within this folder. Once found, right-click on the Cloudflare WARP icon. Select the option Move to Trash from the context menu. This action will move the application to your trash. Next, open the Finder application from your dock. In the Finder menu, click on Go in the top menu bar. From the drop-down menu, choose Go to Folder. A dialog box will appear for you to enter a specific path. Type /library in the dialog box and click Go. Once in the library folder, search for the Application Support folder. Open the Application Support folder and look for a folder named Cloudflare. If you find it, right-click and select Move to Trash to delete it. Return to the library directory and navigate to the Preferences folder. Look for any files related to Cloudflare WARP, often beginning with com.cloudflare. Delete any related preference files by moving them to the trash. Now, go back to the Applications folder in your Finder. Empty the trash to completely remove Cloudflare WARP from your Mac. Next, it's important to remove any routes established by Cloudflare WARP. Open the terminal application, which you can find in the Utilities folder. In the terminal, enter the command sudo warp CLI disconnect. Press enter and provide your administrator password when prompted. This command will disconnect Cloudflare WARP if it is still active. Next, type sudo warp CLI set mode off. This will disable the warp routes on your system. To further ensure all routes are cleared, type sudo route and flush. Hit enter to execute the command, which will remove all routing entries. Once complete, you can close the terminal application. Finally, restart your Mac to ensure that all changes take effect. You have now successfully uninstalled Cloudflare WARP and removed any associated routes on macOS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.